Hello, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to the second episode of my conversations with Greta about financial astrology. And Greta, can you remind us what you want to talk today about?
I am eager to see what TA indicators do you use along with astrology.
Sure, let's explore it. We do have here the price action for BTC, and I want to show you what indicators do I use. I don't say they are the best by no means. You have your own strategy. This is what works for me, actually. And we do have here the RSI and also the divergence indication on it. I think this is obvious. I use it in the sense that an RSI which is above 50 would really indicate a trend going up, so an opportunity to go long or buy. And we do have also the case when it is less than 50, and for that I see it as an indication for going short or selling. So this is how I use it. Actually might not be what you are used to or what works for you. I do have also here several indicators. It's like a Christmas tree. It's a bit crowded, I know. It's for the 1 hour time frame, and I would like to go into it a bit. So first of all, you see here three smooth moving averages. Actually, this is what I use, and they are set for the following time frames for 21, 50 and 200. So these are the lengths that I consider. So here you can see a bearish trend, basically, sort of, because it starts to climb and to really cross the SMA 50 at the moment, but we will need to see that usually these need to intersect and to be aligned with each other to have a full trend going on. So I will look that the price action is above the three smooth moving averages for going long or to buy, to be very safe about it. And I would look at the other way, reverse situation, when the lines intersected, the price action is really below it, and in this case we will have a bearish trend. So I think it should be easy to follow in this case, because we do have this quite nicely depicted. Changes in trend will be really shown on the RSI with divergences, but we do have also this set of Williams fractals that I consider as well for this. And it is about a setup that is the default one. You can go for that, and it will indicate to entry and exit with these arrows that you can see. Now they are not reliable at all times, I would say, especially for the exit. So therefore the astrology, the detailed astrology of the day in this case, because I am on the 1 hour time frame, would really help me to see, okay, do I really need to exit or not. Also, another point of exit is shown by the changing shape of these smooth moving averages, because if you see that they turn somehow direction, so I imagine it's a road and the car would go on it, then it means that the car, the price action in this case, is really something that can change potentially in a very short period of time. So Greta, what do you think? It was pretty clear?
Yes, thank you. To recap, you use the RSI, the 3 SMMA with settings on 21, 50 and 200 and the Williams fractals for entry and exit points, along with astrology. What time frame is more relevant for BTC nowadays?
Correct, Greta, you got it right. And yes, in terms of the time frame, I would say the 1 hour chart for me is very important because Bitcoin is volatile. We have days when the difference between the high and the low on the day is over 11K. So this happened after Bitcoin crossed the 100K mark, and it is like we see volatile with institutional players coming along. Therefore, 1 hour is for me important. Another rationale is the astrology because currently we do have two planets that are very important for BTC, strongly activated, and these are Mercury and the Moon. Mercury is also a fast-moving planet, therefore we don't find this stability that, of course, we are not used to, but at least we were used to for Bitcoin for a couple of months or a bit longer, especially in bull markets. But right now, Mercury, we do have a quick moving planet here. It's also turning retrograde 3 times a year, so it is more dynamic in nature. And this is valid also for the long-term investors that I encourage to look into the daily time frame as well, because this Mercury can give you some surprises, so to speak. And the moon is very important until January 2026, which is quite a while. So we filmed this on March 2nd. So this means that it's another time frame that is very relevant, even if you are a swing trader for several days, for example, or even weeks, because the surprises comes to the hour with Bitcoin. So I hope this gave you a nice idea of the way I use it in practice along astrology, and we will see what other topics can we discuss in the future. So Greta, do you have something in mind for now?
I would like to understand how global astrology and the astrology of BTC play out in the price action. How do you analyze these?
This is a great topic indeed. Let's consider it for the next time. Thank you so much for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. And until next time, be joyful. See you.